Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, January 13th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Sorry I'm getting this out late. Again, very, very busy. We had an extraordinary day today. Uh, the only thing that wasn't extraordinary is the Dow. You can see here, it just basically danced around here without doing too much, ended up closing negative 8 points, but still above this 31,000 level. So it's certainly not selling off, but it's not rallying either. In spite of this very tepid action in the Dow, we had a pretty amazing day. We had a whole pile of stocks. Started out in shortly after the open much better, but we still ended up closing those stocks out with positive $17,000, and we had a couple really good trades in there. Um, but what was most interesting was the 13 positions we got into. Uh, 7 were positive, 6 were negative, but we're positive $26,000 on those positions. So just on the close today, we're positive $17,000 for closed out and positive 26,000 in our open trade. That is good, but I think we're going to be in for a lot better tomorrow, and I'm going to show you uh, why in just a second. Let's look at 3 of our stocks. This first one is Fubo, Fubo, Fubo TV Incorporated, and we had bought this yesterday on a gap up, closed really good yesterday, and then it jumped up, and we took $11,000 in positive. We took $11,000 out in profit in Fubo TV, and then it sold off after we got out. So this is like almost a perfect trade, and a perfect trade worth $11,000. I'll show you. Let's see. I gotta do something here to get this. Okay, this was the monster trade today. This is GME, which is GameStop Corporation, and that gapped up today. We grabbed it immediately as soon as we could. It took off like a bird. Up here, at the very top of this move today, we were up over $40,000 on this stock. It did pull back, and on the close, we're up over $25,000 on that. But it could go back up here tomorrow. It could even go higher. We just don't know till it opens tomorrow. I keep telling you, I've improved my stock selection process, and this portfolio we have for January is red hot and extremely volatile, and I don't know for sure what it's going to do, but this obviously looks like a great trade, and obviously this, our $25,000 is where our $26,000 open trade is coming from. However, we may have some more, and I'm going to show you another one here. You may wonder why I'm showing you this. This is DPW, Digital Power Corporation. Gapped up this morning. We grabbed the gap and then it went against us all day long, and we're down $2,400 in Digital Power Corporation. It has followed this pattern uh, several times this month already, and last month as well. However, back in November, if you don't remember, we got into this thing at about $2 and it went all the way to $11 in 4 to 5 days, and we never got out of it until the fifth day. And we took almost $200,000 out of this stock. So this was my biggest trade ever. Well, in spite of the fact this is a loss on the close in the aftermarket, something has happened. And this close is at approximately $4.17. It's up to $6.20 in the aftermarket as I talk. And that adds about $18,000 to where it's at right now. Now, I have no idea what's going to happen tomorrow morning. Um, I can get up at 1 a.m. in the morning and start seeing the pre-market on this thing. And I just don't know. But all I'm saying is this is a very hot portfolio, and this is a very hot stock. And anything could happen tomorrow, but I'm expecting some big profits out of this possibly tomorrow. So I will be looking forward to that, but I can't predict anything, obviously. So looks and because of that, you know our equity in the aftermarket is really, I mean, it's much higher than where we were on the regular market close. So we just gotta hang on, wait and see what happens. I just follow the system. I shouldn't make predictions, but I'm looking for a big day tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.